Yeah, so you had your birthday on
I
Friday.
did. 25th birthday.
And that kind of turned into a big party because it was a premiere as well.
Exactly. It was the premiere of The Seven, which is my first lead in a feature film. So that was insane. And the fact that the premiere of The Seven fell on the same day as my 25th birthday, I felt like that was a sign. Like it was fate, two really good things happening on the same day. And yeah, it was an amazing day. It was really, really good
It
fun.
must have been very exciting. And Mom and Dad were there, and
They
lots
were
of
indeed.
friends were there. And everybody was, although everyone was doing the premiere, everyone was aware of the birthday as well.
Yeah, so I got lots of lovely birthday messages, which was nice, including from yourself and the Carcaptain team, some nice Instagram messages and texts, which made me feel special. Yeah.
That's good. That's good. Tell me, just as a question, you know, a lot of people are always, when they get to like a birthday, which is anything more than 21, they sort of, I'm gonna die.
Oh no.
Life is gone. It's over.
No, I think I was like that on my 21st birthday, like, wow, I'm officially an adult. And after that, I'm like, you know what, I think 25 is kind of a big one because it's like quarter of a century, and 21, to me, it's like 18, 21, and 25 are quite big. So I was excited to finally be 25, but I never really feel anything like, oh, it's 1 year closer to my death. I'm more like, yay, I survived another year, woohoo! So I was saying like here to the next 10 quarters, which makes no sense because there's only 4 quarters in a whole century.
Okay.
You get my point.
Okay. And what are your objectives for the next year? Now we've had the premiere. What would you say was the sort of highlight for you on the premiere? What would you, thinking back? I think everybody, it's like we dream about these things, right? And then we always feel a little bit disappointed because it doesn't quite live up to our dreams. Is that true?
Yeah, I think I've always been very strange with my birthdays. I always have very, very high expectations. And on my birthday, it was a great day because I woke up really early and had an interview on London Live TV channel for The Seven, which was nice. So that was a great start to the day. Then went out for a birthday lunch, which was great. And then before the premiere, a lot of things went wrong. So I'd ordered like a Rolls Royce to take us to the premiere. I love cars, so I thought, oh, I'll get like a Rolls Royce Ghost to take us. And they just didn't show up. Which was a bit stressful. There were just a few things that started to go wrong, and I was like, you know what, it's fine. Once I get there, it will all be good. And once I got there, it was completely fine, and it was really nice seeing the cast and the crew again, and having my parents there because they've not been to a premiere before where I've been on the big screen. And seeing yourself on the big screen is really, really cool. And when you've got a funny line and there's like 500 people in the audience laughing with you and your character, that's the best feeling.
Yeah, that's good.